Amid speculation about a possible change in state leadership in Karnataka, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has cleared the air now. Dropping hints that he's on his way out, Yediyurappa has in fact said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and Party President J.P. Nadda have great respect and love toward him. He further added that after any leader usually crosses 75 years of age, there is no position for them in the party. However, in his case specifically, BJP top brass has appreciated his political acumen, even permitting him to work till he crosses 78. In fact, Yediyurappa has also asserted that a decision will be taken on the issue post 26 July after the BJP government completes 2 years in Karnataka. Yediyurappa, it is important to note, recently received support from influential members of the Lingayat community that have a strong clout politically. These include Congress MLAs also, even seers heading powerful Lingayat mutts in Karnataka. Congress netas, interestingly, have slammed the Bharatiya Janata Party over Lingayat seers supporting the BSY government. Leaders B.K. Hariprasad has said it is unfortunate that seers are rallying behind the Chief Minister rather than working for the state.
It is very unfortunate for the most progressive state like Karnataka. Never in the history such a huge Swamiji had gathered to save the Chief Minister. They should gather to save the state of Karnataka, and they are losing the tradition of Karnataka after BJP took over. And Swamiji should have been cautious while supporting the BSY.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಜಗನ್ಮೋಹನ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರ ತಂದೆಯವರನ್ನ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆದಾಗ ಆಂಧ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಅದೇ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷನಾಗಿ ನಾನು ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಪಕ್ಷದವರಿಗೆ. ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವರನ್ನೇ ಮುಂದಿನ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ.
Let's go across to Nagarjun Dwarkanath reporting from Bengaluru. Nagarjun, it is very interesting that the Congress party MLAs are expressing support to B.S. Yediyurappa of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Is this perhaps or what is in store for him after this? What possibly is the status on the ground? Nagarjun. Nagarjun, can you hear me? We'll just try and connect that audio line with my colleague there on the ground. What you see on the screen, remember, also the support from Lingayat leaders and seers. These are saints, religious groups. Lingayat community has a very strong vote bank, not just in terms of the population in the state, but also perhaps the manner in which they have a social support base, also about money and other influential aspects of the community that are often important politically for the dynamics of even getting a victory in elections. So what has happened is that the Lingayat seers are supporting B.S. Yediyurappa, as you can see on one side of your screens, but the Congress MLAs, while supporting Yediyurappa, are asking why are the religious groups rallying behind one neta rather than work for people of the state. So Yediyurappa, meanwhile, has already started receiving support from influential members of the Lingayat community for one, including some of the MLAs as well. Take a look at the ground report that has come in.
Is the change in guard in Karnataka imminent? That's the question everyone is asking these days. Suspense over B.S. Yediyurappa's political future just doesn't seem to end. But the Lingayat strongman is in no mood to give up without a fight, flexing muscles in every possible way to avoid a exit. Yediyurappa hosted prominent Lingayat seers of the Tumakuru Siddhaganga Mutt at his residence on Wednesday, sending a strong message to the BJP top brass that his political acumen and experience is not to be taken lightly. Declaring an undying support to the strongman, the Veer Shaiva Lingayat Mutt staged protest over reports of Yediyurappa being replaced.
ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಆದ್ರೂ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯಿಂದ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಕೆಲವು ಪಿತೂರಿಗಾರರಿಂದ, ಸಂಚುಗಾರರಿಂದ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊಸಬರನ್ನ ತರೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಮುಕ್ತ ಸರ್ಕಾರವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಕ್ತ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಮ್ಮ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಏನು ಫಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೂ
while clamor for Yediyurappa's exit continues to grow louder, the ministers who defected from the Congress-JDS coalition have decided to meet the BJP leadership. They want an assurance that their future is safe in the party. These ministers had switched over to BJP on the invitation of B.S. Yediyurappa and now fear that they might fall out of favor if the chief minister is replaced. Bureau Report, India Today.
So let's now go on the ground. Nagarjun Dwarkanath there reporting on the developments on this story of Yediyurappa. Nagarjun, what is very interesting is that why do you think that he's on one side getting support from the Congress MLAs, but the same Congress MLAs are also stating why are Lingayat religious leaders supporting Yediyurappa rather than simply apolitically work for people of the state? What is happening on that front? Nagarjun, if you can hear me, what is the status on the ground politically with regard to Yediyurappa getting support from the Congress MLAs, the Lingayat groups, but the Congress netas are also asking the Lingayat religious leaders to not support one neta? All right, we appear to have some audio communication issue there, but we will continue to track this developing story. Yediyurappa ready to move out, but states, I have done enough and I have been praised enough by the top brass.